Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Edge 40 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see media, call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. And just to change the volumes, you should slide to the left or to the right side. There's dots on each of the volume panels. Here we got the Dolby Atmos section. You could turn on or turn off this option. From here, to activate or turn off the special sound, to activate or turn off the don't disturb mode, to use the crystal toggle, to use the multi-volume option, to change phone ringtone for SIM1, SIM2, to activate or turn off live captions. In media section, we could turn on or turn off the option to pin media player, to show media on lock screen and to show the media recommendations. Also to activate or turn off vibration and haptics option, and to change all of the settings here. To change default alarm and notification sounds, and to activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, power on off sounds, to show icon in vibration mode, to flip device for D&D, to pick up the silence, and to activate or turn off the media controls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.